Mumbai now ahead of the BMC elections. Chembur area is seeing citizens give a tough fight to the Sena corporators. Fed up with the condition of their ward, the citizens have asked an activist, Ganesh Avasthi, to contest from M West ward, which stretches from Tilak Nagar to Srinagar in Chembur. Now, citizens say corporators have let them down for many years. Listen in.
People speaking about high regards ki Mumbai we are going to make it a Shanghai. Before making it a Shanghai, what we feel is most of Mumbai parts like Tilak Nagar, Paschim Sagar, Chhada Nagar, the sewerage line needs to be developed. That if it is not developed, definitely this is not going to be a Shanghai.
The problem that we are facing right now is basically of the roads, securities, and the water sanitation problems.
The roads are so bad. Now you can understand perhaps in single parking, no parking you can understand. No parking area is also parked, but it is not only one parking, it is a double parking. But you will be surprised to see even triple parking over here.
I see a lot of people, those who are here, they are studying in the playgrounds. They are not getting enough place where they can study also. So that is also an what you can say, the corporators have not utilized their funds to make up a good library, place where people can study.
In fact, Aishwarya Palawal caught up with Ganesh Avasthi, who's contesting the election. She asked him about the issues that the ward has been plagued with. Listen in.
So what are the things that you will look at if you do become the corporator of this area? What are the main things that you have on your mind?
Illegal parking, illegal encroachment is a problem. All civic issues, including road, safety, security, water, contaminated water. Means the least, 2,000 people, I think more than 2,000 people were in hospital in last 1 month in Srinagar. That is their problem. In Paschim Sagar, in slum area, in our, I don't want to call it slum, it's my gali, mera ghar hai ye. But sanitation is the biggest problem. Facilities, basic facilities are again second big problem. Thirdly, they do not come up with any awareness camps. They need to provide a lot of trainings on education, cleanliness, sanitation, all these things. So that is not happening. In Tilak Nagar, three major issues for me will be, first is water, second sewerage line, and third, of course, which doesn't come in my authority, but says I would like to raise my voice in house for the OC of this. They are innocent people, they bought houses. It's not their mistake if OC was not there. They have sanctioned, so somebody needs to represent in the house to bring OC to these people so that they get all facilities from the government.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.